Welcome back to Good Father House Design. In a busy world, finding a place where you can truly slow down and connect with nature is rare. Today, we want to take you on a quiet journey through a small, modern house set in a serene rural landscape. It is a home designed to blend traditional warmth with modern simplicity, creating a peaceful haven for the family. Let's begin the tour. As we approach from the quiet street, the home's exterior instantly sets a calm mood. We are greeted by a beautiful pergola garden filled with colorful flowers, framed by the warm tones of a terracotta tile roof. Walking through the wooden gate, you can feel the peaceful countryside atmosphere. The front porch, with its elegant wooden furniture and potted plants, offers a restful spot to sit and listen to the birds chirping in the nearby trees, transitioning us gently from the outside world into our own quiet retreat. Step inside, and the home opens up to a central courtyard that brings the elements of nature indoors. Large windows from the dining area look out to this peaceful courtyard, where a koi pond with smooth stepping stones creates soft water reflections. A sleek glass corridor connects the different wings of the house, allowing sunlight and dappled leaf shadows to dance across the natural stone walls. It's an inviting dining space where every meal feels connected to the quiet rhythm of the garden. Heading into the kitchen, the design focuses on practical beauty. A dark wood central island with a built-in stove sits under a bright skylight, filling the space with soft, natural light. It is a highly organized space, completed by sleek cabinetry and fresh green herbs. A low wooden divider with potted plants guides us seamlessly into the cozy lounge. Here, an oversized sectional sofa and a vaulted ceiling create a comfortable, grounded living space where the family can gather to rest and unwind. The master bedroom is designed to be a private sanctuary. Large windows frame the green countryside, letting the afternoon light paint soft leaf shadows on the walls. Just outside is a small pocket garden, bringing the scent of fresh flowers closer to the bed. Through the doorway, we discover the semi-outdoor bathroom. Bathing under the open sky here feels like a luxury, with a freestanding tub resting directly beneath a generous skylight, surrounded by natural stone and lush tropical plants. Stepping out to the backyard, we find a serene space bordered by a quiet tropical forest. The house's modern gabled roof overlooks a pristine swimming pool and a textured stone deck. Below the deck, a cozy sunken lounge with comfortable outdoor furniture invites you to sit close to the water. A winding path leads through a beautiful flower garden toward the trees, creating a quiet retreat where the rustle of leaves and the gentle ripples of the water help you slow down. From the side yard, we can appreciate the raw beauty of the exterior materials. Terracotta roof tiles, wooden beams, and natural stone walls blend beautifully with the greenery. A stone path curves through the garden, leading past a small, quiet pond and a cozy wooden bench shaded by the pergola. The dark wood and metal frames of the sliding glass doors reflect the sky, showcasing how thoughtful design can respect the natural landscape while offering modern comfort. Looking at the overall structure, this home is a beautiful study in spatial harmony. A double-height entrance void allows light to flow freely down from the mezzanine, keeping the interior feeling airy and spacious. Every transition, from the indoor kitchen to the outdoor pool deck, is smooth and natural. It is an architectural design that prioritizes family connection, natural light, and quiet moments. Thank you so much for exploring this modern countryside home with us. Here at Good Father House Design, we are dedicated to sharing designs that inspire warmth, simplicity, and family connection. If you found a sense of peace in this tour, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which part of this design resonated with you the most. Until next time, take care, and may your home always be your favorite place to be.